I think we're streaming. Yeah, we're streaming. You can go there now. You there?
No, I'm trying to get there right now.
All right. I'm gonna wait for you.
Hold on.
Mm.
Okay,
You see it?
I do.
You see me?
Yep. Now there's the advertisement.
What do you mean it's advertising?
Well, I saw you and then it switched to an ad. It's just running through and then I'm sure it'll go back.
Okay.
Yep, I see you.
What am I doing?
I can just see the outline of your head.
That's me.
Yeah, I know.
All right. You ready? So we're
Yep.
doing. So this is live for you can see and everyone else can see my screen. You're gonna be a couple seconds behind from what I see.
Okay.
All right. That's just the way it does it. I think it's like 30 seconds or something. Um, what I have so far is uh, I'm like most times I'm doing it the wrong way. So hopefully you can ask me good questions and get me back on track. All right. I'm counting on you, Emily.
Okay. I'm
All
here
right.
for you.
Okay. So my what I've done is I've taken the array that they're passing me, and just to make sure that we're clear on what the challenge is, I get an array of characters that are in a code called the Caesars Cipher, and they need to be moved 13 characters either to the left or to the right. So 13 forward or 13 back, right? So that's A is N and N equals A, and B equals O and O equals B, right? So if what I need to do is take the characters they give me a code, and I have to decipher what that code is by either moving the characters 13 forward or 13 back. That makes sense? Okay. So I was close before, and now I need to finish it. And we have 54 minutes to complete this challenge. All right?
Keep the streak alive.
To keep the streak alive. Current streak is what? What's the current
Mine
streak?
takes 11 days. This would be day 12 for you.
Yeah, I'm on 11 days. Is my current streak, dating all the way back to December 28th. All right, let's keep it going. So this is what I have. It's a bunch of gibberish. I wish it wasn't. I wish I was better at this. But this is better than what I had before. Okay. So what I've done is I've taken the string they gave me. I use split to turn it into an array of characters. And then I create a bunch of
That was
empty,
going to be my first question.
and then I create 3 more empty arrays. Um, one is going to be the numbers. So after I turn the arrays into after I turn the string into an array, I am going to do a for loop, and for each character in the array, each element in the array, I'm going to add 13 to it. Well, first I'm going to get the char code at that character, and then I'm going to add 13 to it, and then put that into an array. That makes sense? Just to see what it is, and I'm going to subtract 13 as well.
Okay, I have a question.
What's up?
Do we need to make sure that the character that we have to look for a character that is uppercase English alphabet in case there are characters that are not alphabetical English characters?
They're all English characters, and they're all uppercase characters.
Okay.
So that's what's given to us. If
So
it
there's no non-alphabetic characters?
if there is a non-letter, we skip it.
Okay.
So we don't do any code changing for non-alphabet characters.
Okay.
All right. So all right. So what I think I should do is okay. I'm gonna write some pseudocode. You know what pseudocode is? All right. Pseudocode is basically it's kind of like code, but it's basically you just talking. Like it, you can read it and understand it, but it's not code. It won't compile. Right. So basically, I have for each letter in the array. Check if letter is A through M. If A through M, add 13. If N through Z, subtract 13. Then, wait. If A through M, convert, oh no, wait. Convert all letters to numbers. If A through M, add 13. If N through Z, subtract 13. Then convert back to letters. Then join into string. That's what I think will get us the answer. All right. Okay. Now, what's cool is I think so A through M. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to console. And I'm going to do, how do we do it? Let's look at, it takes a string. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the char code at.
Char code at, right?
Yeah, char code at. So this is what I'm going to do. A, B. Okay. For var I equals 0, I less than dot length I plus plus. So I'm basically creating a for loop to get an idea of what the number range is for all the letters A through M. Does that make sense? Okay.
Can you explain the ASCII code?
What's the AFBII code? I don't know what you're talking about. Where do you see that at?
On one of the
Okay. So A through M is 65 through 77. Okay. And then that means Z is 90. It makes sense. Okay. All right. So I don't think I need to turn it into, so I'm not going to turn it to an array. I'm not going to use split. What I'm going to do is, I'm not going to, at least not yet. I'm going to do if string dot char code at I is what? Less than or equal to $77 and is greater than and equal to 65, then we're going to add, hold on, uh, var char equals $13. That's going to give me the number. All right. And just so we can, I'm going to have mad console logs in this, like always.
So I was just reading about the ASCII, and essentially,
I don't even know what you're talking about. What is that?
I'm going to tell you. So it's a code that associates an integer value for each symbol in the character set, such as letters, digits, punctuation marks, special characters, and control characters.
All right. Did you get that from?
I got it from string.prototype.chartcode.app. I clicked through some of the lists that were listed for references.
From the FreeCodeCamp?
It was talking about.
Okay.
So it's talking about Unicode code.
Yeah.
The first 128 Unicode code points are a direct match with the ASCII character coding.
Yeah, that's.
I was just thinking about applying or converting the alphabet characters to the integers.
Yeah, that's what chartcode does.
Make it easier. Okay.
Yeah, that's what chartcode does. That.
Okay.
That's what we're doing.
That's what we're doing now.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna try this. See what happens.
Okay.
Hold on. This, I'm gonna leave that alone. All right, so I'm using some if-elses.
What'd you say?
Nothing. So I'm using if-else and a for loop. See what happens. All right, I get a bunch of arrays. All right, that wasn't. That was expected. I got to now. I need another for loop for. Okay, what's the other one? Now we need the new from char code. All right, I'm not getting this one. I'm not quite understanding from char code yet.
You're not understanding the what?
From char code.
Okay.
We got 36 minutes. Okay. All right, I think I know what to do now. $35. R plus 13. Where's R plus 13? Yeah, you just saw that, huh?
All right. So can you say what you're trying to do right now? You're just trying to clean it up?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what I did wrong. This is crazy. Did my original string, how many characters in my original string? 4, 4, 14. Why is there 36? I'm doing something wrong. I got 30 minutes. What am I doing wrong?
Okay, why don't you start at the top and talk it through?
All right. I'm getting, it's double dipping. All right, so this is what I have. I create a bunch of empty arrays. And then I got a for loop. And the for loop goes through the length of the string. If the character is less than 77, but greater than 65. Oh, let's see. This needs to be 78. That's one problem.
I think it needs to be if it's less than 78, right?
Yeah, it need no greater than or less than, or it's got to be between 65 and 77 inclusive on both ends,
Right.
or 78 through 90 inclusive on both ends.
Okay.
Right. And I'm starting with 14 characters and I'm ending up with 91. And that's a problem.
So what about if it's less than 78, we add 26 to it?
Add 26. Why 26?
Well, the number of letters in the alphabet, so that after A, it'll go back to Z. You know?
No.
If it's less than 78, it's going to be out of range, right? When you subtract it by 13.
No. So this is the way it works. It's like it takes the alphabet and it flips it in half. Right? So A is N, B is O,
right?
C is P, right? So 65 through 77 is A through M. 78 through 90 is N through Z.
Okay.
Right? So if it's A through M, you want to add 13. If it's N through Z, you want to subtract 13.
Okay.
Right? So I need to check to see if it's less than or equal to 77, which is M, and greater than or equal to 65.
Okay, so that's what you have.
If it is, add 13 to it. Hold on. I'm gonna start over. I think I know what I need to do. No, it's string dot from char code. I don't think I need this here. All right, so this is my other plan. This is what I'm gonna try now. Why isn't this working?
Where you are, where your cursor is.
Say what?
Scroll up.
You're like 30 seconds behind.
On line 20, it needs an R.
We're at, oh, string. Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, I'm gonna try it. See what it get.
I can't tell if
We got it.
we got it.
Yeah. Hold on. I just got to do one thing.
So I don't know how far delayed I am, but in line 26 and line 20, they both need R's.
Yeah, I saw that. I fixed that.
I think I'm just behind on the screen.
All right. Now we got to do is join.
Okay. I see you smiling.
str equals 60. Line 60. Boom.
Got it?
Got it. With 22 minutes to spare. Oh, this code is so garbage. This might be the ugliest code ever. Encore. Challenge complete. With 21 minutes to spare. We did it, Emily.
Easy.
Easy peasy. I'm waiting for it to show up live on Twitch.
I'm watching for it.
You watching? I'm watching too. I got it streaming on my phone. This is like scoring a touchdown and then like
After you close out of. Hey! There it is.
you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
You know what this is like? This is like scoring a touchdown and then in the middle of your touchdown dance, you see the highlight.
That's right.
It's
On
like,
Jumbo.
yeah, like I just did that. Fuck yeah.
That was me.
Now I understand why everyone's so excited. All right. I am going to stop the streaming. Appreciate the one person, you, Emily, who watched. Love you. I'm going to stay on the phone with you, but I'm stopping the streaming. Thank you for your help.
Okay.
Let's look at the, before I shut it off, let's look at the update on my 12 days of, 12-day streak. There it is. That's the business.
Ooh, money.